Okay guys, so I got it back together. I didn't get to do this side yet. I'll do this side another day because I gotta leave. See how this sounds. Seems to be running pretty smooth. Now I don't know, like there's a slight roughness to it, but we gotta do the other cylinders yet. So we'll do that tomorrow. But this is running pretty smooth, it's not even shaking. So guys, here's the front two plugs. This was that Zenzo one that was different than the other ones. I'm gonna get in trouble for staying, but I'm gonna try it out.